Hello guys, today we are going to be solving this very simple quadratic equation. So we are going to factorize this quadratic equation. So let's dive right in. So if we can recall, a quadratic equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, and the coefficient of a is A is the coefficient of x squared, B is the coefficient of x, and C is the constant. Okay, so in this case, 6 is the coefficient of x squared, 11 is the coefficient of x, and 3 is our constant. So A is 6, B is 11, and C is 3. So now we are going to multiply A and C. So we're going to do the AC method. So A and C is simply 6 times 3, which is 18. So now we need two numbers that will multiply to give us 18, and that will add up to give us 11. So we need two numbers. When you add, it's going to give 11, and when you multiply, it's going to give 18. So we have to now check the factors. So we can take 9 and 2. If you add 9 and 2, it's going to give, you add to 11, and you multiply 9 and 2 to 18. So they are our numbers. So now we are going to split the middle term using these numbers. So the middle term is 11x, so we are going to split it using these numbers. So we are going to have 6x squared plus 9x plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So I'm going to group this in terms. I'm going to group them in pairs. So the first pair is 6x squared plus 9x. That's our first pair. And then plus 2x plus 3 is our second pair. So now I'm going to factor out the common terms. So in this our first pair, what is common in our first pair? 6 and 9, 3 is common and x is common. So we'll factor out 3x to 2x plus 3, and here this second bracket, what is common in the second bracket is just 1, so I'll factor it to 2x plus 3. And now I'm going to factor out the common binomial, so it's going to be 2x plus 3 into 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So now I'm going to solve for x. I'm going to solve and find the values of x. So I'll take the first bracket and equate it to 0. So to find x here, we'll have 2x equal to minus 3 and x equal to minus 3 on 2. That's our first value of x. And the second bracket, 3x plus 1 equal to 0. I'm going to have 3x equals to minus 1, and x is minus 1 on 3. So these are our values of x. It's very easy and very straightforward. Thanks for watching this.